I started back in 2020, where all this pandemic started, and my small home bakery, from brownies to birthday cakes, my small skills brought me here to ICCA to acknowledge more and learn from some amazing chefs here. Something about myself: I've worked in hospitality for around a year and a half to 2 years. I would like to introduce myself as a home baker. This is where all this journey started. My favorite memory starts from the first day we entered ICCA, from sitting on those chairs as introduction to the last day of making breads and croissants. Each and every moment, second, was filled up of memories and journey that would never be forgotten by each and every one of us. After ICCA, I do see myself in the next 3-4 years putting up a business that can lead to people's heart, and we can just make products like cakes and desserts much more interesting for them and appetizers for them, so they can enjoy much more of each and every meal they have. My experience in ICCA has been an amazing journey. My decision I took, the people that really pushed me through, my parents, my family, my cousins, my sisters. A big shout out to my sisters. The biggest lesson I have learned here is go on. We make mistakes and we move forward.